Hello, today I'll be doing some what I consider basic maintenance tasks on this bike to keep it riding well and enjoyable. First thing, bar tape. So I'm gonna replace this with some new tape. Second, I'm gonna replace the chain. And third, I'm gonna rotate the tires. See the tread here on the front tire? Now if you compare it to the back tire, there's no tread here. The back wears out faster than the front. So I thought, well, if you rotate them, then it will be more time before you need to buy new tires. Done. Grips, tires, there you go, and chain.